Hey everyone, if you want to use remove.bg for free in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove image backgrounds in seconds using AI. Remove.bg is an AI-powered tool that automatically removes backgrounds from images with just one click. Remove.bg saves time, improves design quality, and makes it easy to create professional-looking images without editing skills. Go to the remove.bg website using your browser. Click the Upload button and select the image you want to edit. Remove.bg will automatically detect the subject and remove the background within seconds. Once the background is removed, click Download to save your image with a transparent background. The free version allows basic downloads, but high-resolution images may require credits or a subscription. You can also replace the background or fine-tune edges using built-in editing options. Remove.bg is great for YouTube thumbnails, product photos, profile pictures, and social media content. You can also use Remove.bg on mobile for quick edits on the go. For the best results, use high-quality images with clear subjects and good lighting. A common mistake is uploading blurry or low-resolution images, which can reduce background removal accuracy. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use Remove.bg for free in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.